Davao City. Let me hear you say, Mabuhay One Davao! In 3, 2, 1!
Mabuhay One Davao! Alright. Thank you very much to every Davaoeño who have joined us in this Solidarity Walk. I am sure FPRRD is very proud to see all of us here this morning. Once again, palakpakan nato ang Batang Davaoeño! I can hear you. I think there's something that they'd like to say. Our Mutya 2024, Hana! 1, 2, 3, go! Louder! Davaoeños!
Davaoeños, ipadungog ang inyong tingog sa Tibok Pilipinas o sa Tibok Kalibutan! What do you say?
Si Dirte. Yosto.
Sa mga naa sa likod, sulod mo. Dinhi sa tent, again, pahinumdom sa mga tanan nga naa sa likod. Kauban sa Solidarity Walk, hikan sa likod, anhi mo din sa atubangan. Join us here in front, together with our Honorable Mayor.
Pwede po sa kilid, pwede in front, the space in front. You can occupy, everyone, move here. Join us, come closer.
Alright!
Mga Davaoeños!
Our beloved mayor is ready to meet all of you. Show your support and shout. 1, 2, 3, go! Louder, Davaoeños!